Ever need to grab a screenshot from Mac but haven't really been able to figure out how to do it? Here's 3 ways to do it, 2 of which have been around for a while and 1 is brand new with Mojave. So let's talk about that. The first one is to capture your entire screen. You're going to simply use 3 commands. You're going to hit Command, Shift, and then the number 3. It will grab a screenshot of your entire page, and if you're running Mojave, you can go in and get a preview of it and write and do whatever you need to do on it, which is awesome. Additionally, you can go through and you can hit Command Shift 4. Instead of grabbing a whole screenshot of the entire screen, what it's going to do is allow you to select exactly what you want to have as your screenshot. You can click, hold, and drag, and give you the pixels as well, so you can see exactly how big or small the image that you're grabbing is. And as always, you can go over, click on it, and then continue to write on it. The final way, and probably the most interesting way that macOS has it set up now, is you hit Command, Shift, and the number 5. This is brand new, but essentially it allows you to go through and set exactly what you want to capture. You can either capture the entire screen, selected window, or capture just a portion. It also allows you to record the entire screen, record just a portion, and then there's options inside of there where you can automatically set where you want to save it to, a timer for counting down, and even if you want to show your mouse pointer or not. Then all you have to do is go into capture and it will allow you to go through. So if I go into capture here, it's going to go through and it's going to capture the screen itself. But if I go back and I go into, hey, I want to record a portion of this screen, and then I hit record, it's going to allow me to go through and start recording. It's going to capture exactly what I'm doing, and then when I'm done, it will grab that screenshot and save it as a video for me. So that's 3 very quick ways to be able to capture screenshots inside of macOS. I hope that helps.